Hey guys, welcome to my channel Surpassing the Scientists. I'm the B-physicist and today we are going to solve a physics question. Today's question is about a watermelon, that's over a building, on top of a building, and there's a boy right here who's holding an arrow. When the watermelon falls, the boy simultaneously throws the arrow, and the watermelon and the arrow will collide at this spot. Let's call it H spot, right here. The question wants us to calculate the time for the ball and the watermelon to collide, as well as to calculate the H spot. From the information given in the question, the boy throws the arrow with an initial velocity v naught a equals 25.1 meters per second, and the watermelon is y equals 58.3 meters. So let's take this, x-axis. This is x equals 0 from the spot where the boy throws the arrow. So first things first, I'm going to write the motion equations for the watermelon. Let's write it by green. Vy for watermelon equals v naught y minus gt. Vy watermelon square equals v naught y square minus 2g delta y. Delta y equals v naught y t minus half gt square. These are the equations for the watermelon. Now let's write the equations for the arrow. Vya equals v naught a minus gt. Vya square equals v naught a square minus 2g delta y. Delta y equals v naught at minus half gt square. Now we have the equations for both the watermelon and for the arrow. So now in order to calculate the H spot, let's take this one, let's write it right here. For the watermelon, the final y will be H, minus the initial y initial, which is 58.3. I will put the numbers later. V naught y, the watermelon falls from v naught y. V naught y equals 0, so this will be 0. It will be minus half gt square. Let's write it. H equals y minus half gt square. Now we have equation number 1. This is equation number 1. And let's take this for the arrow. Y final for the arrow will be H minus y initial 0. Minus 0 equals v naught a. We have it, naught at minus half gt square. So we have y equals v naught at minus half gt square. This is equation number 2. Now we have this equation and we have this equation. Let's write it together by H. So now we have v naught at minus half gt square equals y minus half gt square. Okay, when we do this, okay, this, take out this, okay, v naught at equals y. So the total time, to calculate the total time, t equals y over v naught a. Okay, t equals, y is 58.3, the y for the watermelon, over the velocity of the arrow, which is 25.1. Okay, t equals, by the calculator now, okay, over 25.1. Okay, the total time for the arrow and for the watermelon to collide is 2.3 seconds. Now, in order to calculate the H spot where they will collide, we have just to use one either of these equation. Let's take this one for example. Okay, H, okay, write it here. All right, H equals y minus half gt squared. Okay, 58.3 minus half 9.8 by t, which is 2.3 square. Okay, H equals now by the calculator 58.3 minus half g t square. Okay, the the H spot is 23.3 meters. Okay, by that we have calculated the time and the H spots. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Goodbye.